Hey guys, so to celebrate the month of October, we'll be doing some origami, Christmas themed origami, of course, because, it's merry time now. Right, fuck. So, for this week, I decided that some Christmas themed paper planes are in order. So first you want to fold it point to point, point ways, like so. Make sure all those points are nice and thick and tighten it up. You want tight cuts. Then, of course, once you've got it like this, you want to fold it again, but the other way. So it is now a quarter of its original size, and a triangle. Like so. After that, you need to reach inside and open up this part until it's like this, and push it down to make a little square with triangle delay. I did both my hands for that. And tighten up the curve. You don't want loose creases in your designs. That's bad. Bad things are bad. After that, you have to turn over the thing and repeat the process. To create another sort of thing. Now you should, once this is done, have a square about a quarter of the original size of your paper. I know all this from memory because I'm an origami master. Let the whiteness fade from the screen. Now you have a bunch of things, and you want to fold. So you fold so you have a bunch of creases. Now fold this bit down. Look, start with the corners. Fold, and so you have sorts of wings that you want here behind. 1 second. Like so, and like so. And then fold down this top part and undo all your hard work and unfold them. Make sure these creases are nice and deep. You'll need them later. Then you need to open up this part so you can reach the juicy white underneath and pull it all the way up until the bits that you've just creased fold out. Then push in the edges and flatten. Come on, piece of paper. Family friendly channel. Family friendly channel. Where is it? There we go. Then you want to fold in the edges of these bits until they're flat against the middle. This is... I've dropped it. You get the gist of it. I'll just do it off camera. See, super easy. Just like that. See? Alright, next. I know what I'm doing next, I just also think of the best way to explain it. More folding. So you want to get these bits around half of them, and then fold them in until this edge is flat against this thing. Like so, and repeat on both sides. Easy breezy. Now you want to grab this bit down here and fold it all the way up so it intersects this bit. Who knows? Me, because I'm the expert, obviously. And repeat on both sides. Easy. That didn't take long at all. Now you have to turn over and fold this bottom bit up so you get a nice flat line. So it won't reach all the way up to this bit, but it will kind of. See? I think this is supposed to go higher. Who knows? Who knows? Me. So it's clearly not supposed to go higher. And fold this new thing that you've made so it's flat against that part. Open out this bit. This is the hard part. So you take up the corner and you kind of flatten it to make a fin. Okay, that actually worked. I'm an epic gamer. Now, simply fold it in half, like this. Just really get in there. It'll probably be hard, because even a pro like myself finds it hard. And once you've got it like that, turn this around, and then fold out the wings. Grab as much as you can and just make this edge flat against this edge. Give me a sec. And then the final step is to reach into this gap, grab this bit, and sort of that bit isn't necessary, but if you wanted to, you could totally do it. Because you're a pro. Yep. See? We knew that's how that worked. Alright, yep. I understand this paper origami. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Epic.